Did you know that you can have Raphael coat several boards in quick succession? Once you have the origin set for the first board, you can add multiple boards to Raphael's envelope. It's important to remember that the coordinate position of the upper left corner of each board is relative to Raphael's home. To add more boards, right-click and hit Add Board. You can move this board to the approximate position with the mouse and click Finish. These approximate positions are not accurate enough to run the boards. We need to set the positions exactly in order for the path on the subsequent boards to land in the same place as the path did on the first board. To register another board exactly, you need to know the pitch of the fixture holding your boards. This image shows the adjustable fixture from Invention House. The gap between boards in the X direction, marked in light blue, is 4 millimeters. The Y gap, marked in lime green, is 16 millimeters. That is the measurement with the ballerina shoe attached. Let's go ahead and register board 2. For this example, board 2 is located just to the right of board 1. The displayed position of each board is in absolute millimeters from the robot's home position. To calculate the value of the x-coordinate for board 2, use this equation. X-coordinate of board 1 plus the board width plus the x-fixture gap equals the x-coordinate of board 2. In this example, board 1's x value is 2 millimeters. The board width is 67 millimeters. The gap of the adjustable fixture is 4 millimeters. The sum of those measurements is 73. Board 2's x value will be 73, and its y and z values will be the same as board 1's. To adjust board 2's coordinates, right-click on board 2 and click Edit Position. Type in the x, y, and z coordinates for board 2. X 73, y 8.5, and z equals 0. The board outlined in pink will be the new board location. The red outline shows the old location. Click Finish to save the changes. Now let's register board 3. For this example, board 3 is located just underneath board 1. To calculate the value of the y-coordinate for board 3, use this equation. The y-coordinate for board 1 plus the board depth plus the y-fixture gap equals the y-coordinate for board 3. In this example, board 1's y value is 8.5 millimeters. The board depth is 150 millimeters. Invention House's adjustable fixtures gap is 16 millimeters. The sum of those measurements is 174.5 millimeters. Board 3's new y value will be 174.5 millimeters. Board 3's x and z values will be exactly the same as board 1's x and z values. Once we have board 3's coordinates calculated, right-click on board 3 and click Edit Position. Type in the x and y coordinates for board 3. X equals 2 and y equals 174.5. Click Finish to save changes. Registering board 4 is simple. Board 4's x-coordinate is exactly the same as board 2's x-coordinate. Board 4's y-coordinate is exactly the same as board 3's y-coordinate. Continue adding boards as needed. Boards in the same row will have the same y-coordinates. Boards in the same column will have the same x-coordinates.